Hello, Cosmic Explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. In today's video, we delve into the insights of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're as passionate about unraveling the secrets of the cosmos as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our galactic adventures. And remember, we host a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to visit the link in the description for more information. But for now, here's today's video.
Alex, are there any models or mentoring you or the A's know of to begin now setting in place, coming together in local community to decide how we want our new world to look as sovereign beings and not fall back into subservience? For me, I don't want any government or state at all, says Ralph.
Well, Ralph, I don't know what this is going to look like. I know that and I talked about this 30 plus years ago about the mentoring. And the mentoring has been in play and has been going on with Space Force and other elements of humanity. But in order to implement any of those structures or knowledge, you have to remove the cancer first of the old system. And this is why we're seeing the slow progression of all the stuff being taken down. You have to remove that stuff that's been here for hundreds of years. Some of these systems, 1,000 years or longer. You have to remove them in order for these other ideas to take hold and even have a chance. Because we're all ingrained with the old system. And what's that old expression? Better the devil you know than the one you don't. That doesn't apply in this situation, though I hear it a lot. It really doesn't. Because you're really dealing with the devil here. You really are. And their stated intentions are to remove 90% of the world's population. Okay. That's their intention, to remove us from existence. So, they have to go. They have to go. And as that begins, it could be that when the shit hits the fan, that very shortly after all the tumultuous changes and shifts and arrests and everything else that's going to go with that, we'll begin to see new systems begin to roll out, like the quantum financial system, the new monetary system, the healing technologies, color, light, and sound, holographic healing technologies. All those things will begin to roll out shortly after the shit hits the fan and everything is flipped. Because then these modalities, these other concepts, can have a fair shake in front of the people. They will be able to be showcased to the people as they truly are. And we will be able to have the ability to see the contrast between what we had and what's being offered now. And the fact that what's being offered now is solely in the possession and in the control of the people itself. Where this old system, they want to get rid of 90% of us or more. That's got to go. So, I don't know that there's an ideal way to do anything anymore. But this is what we have to work with. And you know what? The more that we step up, the more that the people step up, the more that the people engage with the Alliance and with Space Force, the more that the people step up and be absolutely crystal clear, starting on a local level and then on a state level or a province level, and then a national level in each of our own individual countries, that we, the people, step up and say, look, we're done with this. We are absolutely done with this. You're fired. We have a better idea and we're going to do it. You're fired. It's over. It's completely over for them. They can only remain in power if we let them. They don't have enough guns to take everybody out. They simply don't. They wanted to use biological weapons, you know, and Russia's doing its part in the Ukraine to get rid of all that crap. You know, other white hat military operations around the world are doing exactly the same thing because they want to protect their own families as well. Okay? And we were all going to go, except the chosen ones, you know, the bloodlines. So, I talk too much.
Hello, Alex. Thank you for what you do. On a video stated that the event of 3-day, it may happen and may be obvious end of May and will be at max at June 23rd, 22. Do you know anything about that? Also, apparently this had happened 5 times on Earth, and the last one 13,000 years ago. Is that what made Atlantis draw in 6 million of mud, according to what I saw this time, pleading with a flood and the destruction that may come with this event? Elaborate if you can.
Oh, okay. I have a very different history than most people realize. Things happen. Regarding Atlantis, they picked a fight with the Pleiadian star system. The Pleiadian star system threw an asteroid at Atlantis. An asteroid. It hit the ocean off the coast of Colombia. You can only possibly imagine what happened. Okay? That's the story. That's what happened regarding that. Do I think we're going to have and experience the same horrible calamity? No, I do not. No, I don't. Contrast, ladies and gentlemen, contrast. The information you're getting, is it empowering or is it generating fear? Now, you could be given the same information, but in a very different way. But it would be the same information. The information could be presented to you saying, look, there's concerns that this is going to happen. It would be logical to put together a plan that if you had to leave your coastland, that you would have a place to go inland. Therefore, you should be talking to family and friends just in case. Or it's the end of the world. We're all going to die. Yada, 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 yada. It's contrast. If the information is not empowering you, then it's generating fear in you. And if it's generating fear in you, it is meant to manipulate you. If it's empowering you, it's meant to empower you, to give you tools, to have you strategize, to create a plan, to envision what you want. And I don't mean to yell. I get accused for yelling, and You know, I'm here just like you guys. I got 5 kids that I worry about every night. Okay, you're damn right I'm invested in this. And yeah, I get hot about it. Because I give a shit. I give a shit. And not enough are giving a shit. They still have their heads so far up their ass, they need a flashlight. And man, it's frustrating. And I know I'm not alone with this.
Are you able to share information about the time reset technology previously used in 2012?
No, I'm not. And it's not even relevant. All right. It's just more data that doesn't really matter. What really matters is what are you doing today? What are you creating for yourself today? What happened then is completely irrelevant to right this moment. What are you doing with your time today? That information will all come out with the Space Alliance. When they talk about Looking Glass, all that technology will come out then. But it isn't relevant to right now, this moment. Okay? I don't mean to get uppity. I genuinely don't. But, you know, it's one thing to build your life today consciously, and it's another to get lost in the details of something that was 30 years ago. It's no longer relevant. Okay, let's not avoid what we have to do now by constantly going back into the past and researching it. The work that we need to do is right now. It's today. It's this moment. It's the moment 3 minutes from now. Guys, I know you know this. I know you know this. Okay, just keep putting one step ahead of the other. Okay, slow, baby steps. Just keep moving forward, but consciously thinking about what it is that you want. I can't overemphasize that enough. I just can't. Because it isn't just us. It's our families. It's the legacy we leave behind us. Is consistent with what we do right now.
As we come to the end of today's cosmic journey, we hope you're leaving with a mind full of wonder and curiosity. If you've enjoyed this video and believe in the importance of sharing Alex Collier's messages, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon. This simple act goes a long way in ensuring that this knowledge reaches others searching for these cosmic truths. Also, remember to leave your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. We do read all the comments. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning the universe. Stay curious, fellow cosmic explorers. If you would like to see Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.